Om Shanti. Today, 5th of October 2021. Let us listen today's Murli highlights. Baba says, you are now becoming very great people. You are becoming deities with divine virtues, the masters of the heaven. There you will have palaces studded with diamonds and jewels. The question of today's Murli is that which children find God? What account has the Father shown you? The answer is those who have performed devotion from the beginning find God. Baba has shown you the account of how you are the first ones to perform devotion. This is why you are the ones who receive knowledge from God first, and it is through this that you then rule the kingdom in the new world. The Father says, you have been remembering me for half of the cycle. I have now come to give you the fruit of your devotion. Baba says, you souls are children of the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. You are residents of the place that is called the land of Nirvana, the land of peace. Baba says, first of all, I sent you to heaven. You were very wealthy and then you take 84 births, and according to the drama plan, you have now become unhappy. According to the drama, this old world has to end. You souls and costume of your bodies were Satopradhan. Then from the golden age, you souls went into the silver age with your bodies and then into the copper age. You souls have now become completely impure and your bodies too have become impure. Baba says when you souls become pure, then you will receive pure bodies. How can that happen? Is it by bathing in the Gangas? No. People call out, "O purify, come." The soul says this, and so the intellect goes to the Father from beyond. Baba says you should constantly have these things inside you. Baba says the Father only comes at the confluence age to change residents of hell into the residents of heaven. The older the world becomes, the greater the sorrow there is. The more Tamopradhan a soul is, the more sorrow he experiences. Deities are Satopradhan. Baba says human beings don't know the Father at all. They say he is omnipresent. Some then say he is the element of infinite light. Some say he is beyond name and form. They say he has the form of eternal light. So how can they say he is beyond name and form? Because of not knowing the Father, they have become impure. Baba says, it has been explained to you children that this is the reign of knowledge. What will happen through this? You will become pure from impure. Baba says the Father comes and changes the forest into the garden of flowers, and this is why he is also called Babulnath, the one who changes thorns into flowers. Baba says, you have been remembering me for half of the cycle. No one remembers me in happiness. At the end, when you have become unhappy, I come and make you happy. Baba says there is a devotion and knowledge. Devotion is the night and knowledge is the day. The Father comes and brings the day. Therefore, you children should have so much love for the Father. The Father is making us into the masters of the world. Baba is the most beloved. There is nothing lovelier than him. You have been remembering him for half of the cycle and saying, Baba, come and remove our sorrow. Baba says only the one true Sadguru comes and grant liberation and salvation to everyone. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you make Bap Dada your companion and become an easy yogi who does everything with double force. When carrying out any task, make Bap Dada your companion and the work will be done with double force. You will also feel very easily having awareness of him because anyone who is always with you is naturally remembered. By being a companion in this way and by constantly having the company of the truth in your intellect, you will become an easy yogi. Because of having this powerful company, you will do every task with double force and experience success. The slogan of today's Murli is that a Maharathi is one who is never influenced by any external influence of Maya. Om Shanti.